from Godelight Technologies, and I am happy to announce the grand inauguration and successful implementation of Pocket Store third outlet. Pocket Store is a chain store in Surat, Gujarat. Pocket Store is using our world-class ERP software solution to manage their warehouse with multiple stores, जहाँ पे हम बिजनेस को सेंट्रलाइज कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, जैसे आपका सेंट्रलाइज परचेस ऑर्डर, सेंट्रलाइज CRM पार्ट जिसमें आपका लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम, डिस्काउंट कूपन, गिफ्ट वाउचर एंड मेनी मोर. So in our software solution we provide a centralized account and finance with GST filing as well as security control जो कि आप centralize manage कर सकते हैं. To know more about ERP POS Software Solution, kindly contact on below detail. Additionally, many congratulations to Pocket Store and team from Team Godelight. Let's grow together.